In this video, I will be showing you a brief guide where you guys can see how you guys can make your Salesforce account public. And if you're new to the video, make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. I'll be providing salesforce.com link in the description below so you guys can directly access it. So what I'm gonna do is simply first thing first, if you don't have an account, make sure you go to the login page and log in with your Salesforce account. So for that, go to login and then go to the Salesforce. And the other thing is, if you don't have an account, don't worry about it. So simply all you have to do is to click on try for free. And once you've done that, create an account. How you can do it by providing this information. And once you've done that, you will be able to create an account. So now how you guys can actually make it public. So what you have to do is to log into your Salesforce account using your admin credential to access Salesforce. Go to the setup. Click the your icon in the top right corner and select Setup, modify sharing setting in the quick find box, search for the sharing setting. Under the accounts and contacts, change the default internal access and or default external access to public read only or public read write depending on your requirements. So then all you have to do is to save the changes and note for you is that be caution when making data public to ensure compliance with privacy and security policies. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.